What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I got some big news in the Atlantic and basically all the continents for you today. So let's straight away jump into that. So before we head into that first, I wanted to talk about my twisted videos that dropped today. Well, these, even though I'm like saying, oh, there's gonna be a high risk video tomorrow, and I show the photos. That high risk video that I tried to record, it. My battery ran out while I was recording, which stopped the recording. Plus, Roblox shut down in Twisted. So I'm really sorry. There's not going to be any high risk video. So I'm really sorry. I hope that this was just a misunderstanding. I promise there's going to be another high risk video. Trust me. Whenever next time I see high risk, I'm gonna put on recording. Okay, I'm going to try to get that high risk up because you guys really want to see it because of the thing. It's my misunderstanding. It's my fault that I didn't charge it or anything. I didn't do nothing to it. I didn't bring it down earlier. I wasn't quick enough. And I didn't do it while I just went up. So I'm really sorry, guys, but it is what it is. Anyways, moving on to this. Today Melissa has also left Cuba, and wow, look at the change it did today. So this was it at 12, and yesterday it was, and yeah, actually earlier today it was still in the Bahamas. Now at well, this is British time. It's 9:50 in PM in Britain, but this is just rounded. So for this is 10. Look at it, it's left completely, and now because these weather patterns in the US, these storms that keep on hitting Alaska and Canada, which bring also troughs, keep on pushing it away, and this right here is also going to keep on pushing it away from America, saving Florida and the East Coast really, but it didn't save Jamaica because this once in a whole like 2 century or a century or two hurricane went straight through Jamaica, which I don't think has ever happened before. That in recorded history, it could have happened in history, but we just didn't know. But recorded history, I don't think it's ever happened. Okay. Anyways, moving on. Unfortunately, the tropical storm Sonia has gone, but Melissa's still active. And same as Montha, it's gone up into India and dissipated as a tropical depression. So quite sad news for you, but I'm really sorry, but yeah, about that. But it's not really sad news because it's actually helping many people. Moving on, we have some massive wind again. This wind has been falling out um Mexico since I started recording. Before I started recording, I've been watching this. There's always massive areas of wind, which sort of brings spinning. Not as like tropical. I mean, it's sometimes made a tropical storm. I don't know, but most of these aren't anything to do with tropical storm cyclones. They're not even tropical depressions. They're not nothing. But yeah, but now it's a bigger area and stronger. So you guys in places in the middle of Mexico like Versonia, Oaxaca, Minititlan. I'm sorry if I butchered that. I can't pronounce anything, if you know, on this channel. I really can't. Interpex, Salina Cruz is going to be really windy, but luckily it's not as windy as it is in the ocean, just on the side. And Melissa is category 2 right now. Actually, possibly category 1. Yeah, no, it's category 2. And it is going to pass Hamilton. Again, it's going to be extreme winds in Hamilton, but luckily it's not going to be as devastating as it was in Jamaica or Cuba. Yeah, they think it might just pass Hamilton. This is Bermuda. So they think it's going to pass Bermuda, but still going to bring wet wind and waves. So the surf's gonna be really choppy to you guys in Bermuda. So don't go there this time. See, tomorrow's gonna pass at 6 p.m. or 6 a.m. I don't know, probably 6 a.m. And wow, some different models show different things. As you can see here, this windy model shows it going all the way up. They think it's gonna go all the way up into Iceland. However, if we go to weather-wise, that is not the case. Because if we see in weather-wise, this shows all the other things. Again, it might show like the main well, it doesn't show the same place, but like this has always been like the like what's it called? The yeah, kind of some uncertainty, but different models showed different things. Again, this model, guys, has the same as the other model, has the same as Windy's model, but you can look at all the other models here. This TABD model shows it going over here. Anyways, sorry guys, but I have to go quickly. AFK. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm really sorry for the long pauses in my videos. It just is what it is. This TABD model shows it going all the way through Spain, through Italy, into Poland. And even this other model, TABM, not to confuse with TABD, they think it's going to go all the way up into northern Poland, through Germany and Netherlands, and England. Great. This TABS model shows it going straight through Scotland, through Norway, into Sweden. And, where is the model? The UK model. Might be that. Yeah, this. No. Wow. Yeah, this is the UK's model. They think it's going to go right up here for getting gone, disappearing. That's Melissa for you. Let's just hope that these models don't show it goes straight through. Yeah, that's good. Again, you can see it went straight through Jamaica, which is terrible. Ryan Hall Yarl did a amazing live stream about it. You should. It's even though the live stream's 11 hours, you can skip it. I was watching live stream while it was live. Anyways, again, I remember when it started forming here earlier this month. It was insane because this thing formed here really long ago, but somehow it's now all the way up here. It's done that, but that's beautiful hurricanes for you. But it isn't much beauty because it's actually quite sad what hurricanes do. So, again, you guys should really watch out for these hurricanes. It's really sad. Even if you're in Bermuda, you still want to watch out for this. So yeah. Yeah, it's gonna. So this is pretty much that for you. Now moving on to something else. Anyways, let's go on to thunderstorms. So in the UK today, they thought there were gonna be thunderstorms on late Thursday, and guess what? Finally, some thunderstorms. In Friday, there will be some thunderstorms in around this area, yeah. So you won't get good thunderstorms. You just mostly get bad thunderstorms. Yeah, some Evesham, yeah, Cardiff, Bridgend, Gilliam, Blandford Forum, and some right there. That's 12 p.m. Yeah, 1 p.m. 2 p.m. Yeah, but and throughout the night it does normally go a bit into Ireland, especially like Dublin right there, and straight over the that little stretch of water. And it does go really late at night into a part of Wales. But when it moves on to Saturday, again, you have that from leftover, but really not. You would get actually. I was about to say not much, but wow, you did get you're getting a lot on Saturday now. So you guys really want to watch out for this, yeah, especially that at near Swansea. But on Sunday, not really anything, and it's gonna it's just gonna get worse, really. Like, yeah, maybe some in Ireland, Northern Ireland, but other than that, really, yeah. And the reason I'm only showing it up to here because this is like unpredictable. Okay, they don't know if this is gonna happen on Friday, the 7th of November. They this is like unpredictable. This one actually shows in color, and it's not Windy Premium because they actually know what they're talking about. They know this. Okay, they know that this is like more suitable. This is mostly what's gonna happen. Again, it might not be happening, but it's mostly. Come on. And now on a different subject, we're gonna move on here into here in near the Philippines. Now there's a big outlook for storms, not tornado. I don't want to go on tornado risk. For not storms but typhoons. Yes, massive over here. This is just week 2, 40%, and week 3 it's gonna go back down to 20%, but still we have something here, 20%. Come on, over there in so guys, and we have massively something for some whatever reason right here near Mexico, which isn't really good. It is not good at all. But they think you're gonna get something, a typhoon, which you guys in the Philippines really want to watch out over here. It's starting to form, and they think it's gonna be terrible. Look at that. See, that's when it forms. Maybe Saturday, maybe Friday. The thing's gonna head straight, mostly straight from Philippines, actually. Be quiet. Be quiet. So yeah, that's really it. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you maybe tomorrow. Bye.